Hi, Dr. Barbara Johnson here. Our healthcare system excels at treating emergencies like infections or injuries, but it falls short when it comes to chronic health issues, which now affect nearly 80% of the population. The traditional way of treating one symptom at a time no longer works in today's world. That's why, after treating patients for 30 years, I've turned from a reductionist view to a more holistic approach. This is rooted in the understanding that the body isn't just a collection of separate parts, it's a complex, interconnected system. So, my shift in thinking has been inspired by studying the science of quantum physics, and I believe this is the key to addressing the chronic, complicated conditions we face today. Take depression as an example. It's not just about chemical imbalances in the brain. It often involves inflammation that impacts the entire body. While medications can actually help some people, looking at the whole person, diet, lifestyle, stress can lead to deeper, more lasting solutions. The problem with our current healthcare system is that it's built on a model from the early 1900s. Back then, the top causes of death were infectious diseases like pneumonia, tuberculosis, and diarrhea. Medical training and treatments were transformed during this time to fight these deadly diseases, and it worked. Advances like antibiotics, vaccines, and better sanitation saved millions of lives. But the find it and fix it approach that worked so well for infections doesn't work for today's chronic diseases, things like diabetes, heart disease, cancer, and autoimmune conditions. These illnesses are much more complex with multiple causes that can't be fixed by a single medication. Yet much of our medical training and healthcare system is still stuck in that old mindset. For instance, many drugs only target symptoms, not the root causes of disease, and they don't work for everyone. Unfortunately, the outcomes aren't improving. By the time people reach their late 50s, nearly 70% are dealing with at least one chronic condition like diabetes, cancer, or arthritis. And for those over 65, more than half are managing two or more. This really makes life harder, more painful, and less enjoyable as we age. So, why are we sticking with a healthcare model created over 100 years ago? It's clear that our current system isn't working. Our system still saves lives in emergencies, but it's not built to prioritize prevention or long-term health. This has to change. What we have today isn't healthcare, it's sick care. Our system is designed to care for people only after they've become sick. But what if we could prevent illness before it ever started? At the Johnson Center, that's exactly what we aim to do. Our mission is to shift the focus from fighting disease to maintaining and enhancing wellness through proactive prevention. True prevention means going beyond how you feel and diving deep into the interconnected systems that make up your body. By monitoring and analyzing these systems, we can uncover potential issues long before symptoms appear. It's not just about treating disease, it's about understanding your body at its core. This includes evaluating your body's ability to produce energy, how well your detox pathways are functioning, and whether your brain shows early signs of inflammation. We can look at everything from muscle breakdown and oxidative stress to intracellular nutrient levels and DNA health. Collecting this data allows us to create a personalized, detailed picture of your current health and trajectory. When you take action now, before you actually have a symptom, we can make corrections earlier, faster, and more precisely. Waiting until symptoms appear often makes it harder to reverse the damage. Prevention isn't just the smart choice, it's the key to a healthier, longer, and more vibrant life. So if you're ready to stop managing sickness and start optimizing your health, contact us today. Together, we can create a plan that prioritizes your well-being and sets you on a path to thrive, not just survive. Wishing you health, happiness, and peace.